All right, here comes question 7 for 700 points. We start with triangle ABC, which is the blue one there. And then we construct triangle XYZ by drawing parallel lines at A, B, and C, the vertices of the triangles, and then extending segments A, B, and AC. So you extend AB, and that hits down there at X. You extend AC, that hits over there at Z, and then the parallel line hits side BC at point Y, and then that determines the triangle XYZ. And what we're asking is, what is the ratio of the area of triangle XYZ, the constructed one, divided by the area of the original triangle ABC? Is that ratio square root of 2, 2, 3 square roots of 2 over 2, or 9/4? So with 700 points, everyone see the diagram okay and understand the construction? Right? We'll see how question 7 went for 700 points. 4 people got it right. It did happen to be 2. It turned out really nice, you might say. Who got that one right? Right, 3. Yeah, there you go. I knew 4 people got it right. Yes, very good. So Alan, how did you get that it was 2?
Well, if you look at triangle XAZ, that will be the same area as triangle BAC. And then if you double that by adding in the AY portion, since the height will still remain the same because the lines are parallel, then that will be double the area of ABC.
Yeah, so if you can see how the altitudes work, you can figure it out that way. That's very good. And sometimes it's tempting to go over the screen and start drawing in the altitudes, but we didn't. We made you stay behind the podium. So that's good figuring, or good reasoning to figure it out. And now we'll see what the score is. Stephen still in first with 2,800, then Alan and Eric with 2,500. Alex has 2,000, and Pablo with 1,400. So this next one is worth 800 points. And Pablo, by the way, one of the things we also ask on the information form is who their favorite mathematician is. And Pablo, who's your favorite mathematician?
My teacher, Mr. Koski.
Sam Koski. So that was he wrote on his thing, Sam Koski, and I'm trying to figure. I haven't heard. I looked on the math timeline and everything. I couldn't find it. I said, oh yes, he's the person who sent in the test, Sam Koski. And then he does a lot of extra stuff for your team and for math in general, right? Okay, so he's earning your respect. That's good. All right, question 8. For how many values of theta, where theta is between 0 and 2 pi, including both endpoints, is the following equation true? So this, again, in radians, cosine of cosine theta equals theta. Is it A1, B2, C4, or D6? So that's the number of values that make that equation true. It's worth 800 points, and you have 90 seconds. All right, so this probably will decide the game. We'll see how this one went. Ooh, it split up a bit. So 2 people got it right. It was 2. We'll see who the 2 people are, what the final score is. Stephen's one of them. So Stephen got it right. So you got all the questions right, Stephen. Nice going. 3,600, and Alan and Eric are tied for second at 2,500. Very close game. Pablo at 2,200, and then Alex at 2,000. And so congratulations, all of you. How about a hand for these 5 contestants? You did very well on those questions. Those are hard questions. Nice going, Alan. Thanks for coming down from Toronto. That's nice of you. Eric, you did very well. Good explanations. Now, Alex, did you have fun? Okay, sorry you didn't get the limo money, but you did pretty well. And Pablo, have a good trip back to Florida. Nice to meet you. I hope you had fun. Did you have a good time? All right, okay. So.